Have you ever felt totally lost at the airport?
Oh, me. Always me.
Like you look at the big screen and just panic?
Yeah, it's so big. So many people everywhere.
Welcome to English Pod Center. I am Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and I really hate airports.
You hate them? But flying is so fun.
Flying is fun. The airport is, it's like a bad game.
A bad game? What do you mean?
You know, like you wait in one line and another line, then more lines.
Oh yeah, the lines. So many lines.
And you always feel late. Even if you are early, you feel late.
True. So today, we will fix that.
We will? How?
We are going to learn easy airport English.
Okay, good, because I really need this, Luna.
First problem. People don't know where to go first.
Right. You walk in the big doors. Then what do?
You need to find check-in.
Check-in. Okay, wait. Is that where I give them my bag?
Exactly. You check your big bag there.
But what if I only have a small bag?
A small bag? Like a backpack?
Yeah, just a little backpack.
That is called a carry-on.
Carry-on.
Yes, because you carry it on the plane with you.
Oh, carry-on. I get it now.
Right. So if you only have a carry-on, you don't need the check-in desk at all.
Wait, really? I can just walk past it?
Yes, you can just check in on your phone.
Wow, that saves so much time.
It really does. But you still need one very important paper.
My passport.
Yes, your passport and the other one.
My ticket?
Close. We call it a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Why not just say ticket?
Well, you buy a ticket, but the boarding pass lets you on the plane.
Oh, like it lets me board the plane.
Exactly, Lucas. Look at you learning so fast.
I'm trying, Luna. I really am.
So to board means to get on, like getting on a bus, but for a plane.
Okay, so I have my passport, I have my boarding pass.
Yep.
Now I can go to the plane, finally?
No, not yet.
Why not? I want to fly.
Because of the worst part, security.
Oh, no, I hate security so much.
Everyone does. It's like a very angry game of taking off your shoes.
Yes. Why do I always have to take off my shoes?
To make sure they are safe, of course.
But my shoes are just shoes.
I know. But at security, you have to be fast.
Fast. Right. So belt off, shoes off, jacket off.
And your computer. Don't forget that.
Right. Take out the laptop. So much work just to go on holiday.
Exactly. It is a lot of work. But after you pass security...
Freedom! Finally!
Yes. Well, kind of. First, you need to find your... Wait, what do you need to find?
Food? I always want a big burger.
No, Lucas, not food yet. You have to find your gate.
Oh, right, the gate, like gate A12?
Exactly. And how do you find it?
You look at the big TV thing?
Yes, the screen, the departure screen.
Right, departures, because I am departing. I am leaving.
Very good. So you look at the big screen, you find your city.
Let's say London.
Okay, London. And next to London, it says a number, like B4.
B4. So I walk to B4.
Easy. Well, sometimes it's easy, but airports are huge, like small cities.
Oh, yeah. You walk for literally a million miles.
True. And you have to follow the yellow signs.
Wait, Luna, what if I don't see my gate on the screen?
Then it's too early or it's delayed.
Delayed? Ugh, I hate that word so much.
Me too. Delayed just means late.
So you sit there and wait. And wait.
Yes, but hey, now you can get food.
Yay, burger time.
Or you can go shopping. Have you heard of duty-free?
Duty-free. Like no tax?
Exactly. You buy things cheaper, like perfume or chocolate.
Oh, the giant chocolate. The huge triangle one?
Yes, Toblerone. Why is airport chocolate so big?
I have no idea. It's like chocolate for giants.
It is. So, okay, you have your giant chocolate. You are at gate B4.
I am eating the chocolate.
Stop eating it for a second, because then you have to board.
Board? Like
A surfboard?
No, to board the plane. It means to get on the plane.
Oh, right. Boarding.
Yes, and you need your boarding pass. We talked about this before.
My ticket. I have it on my phone.
Yes, you need to show it again at the gate.
And my passport.
Yes. Always keep your passport ready, Lucas.
Got it. Ticket ready, passport ready, chocolate in my mouth.
I give up. Okay, but you have to listen carefully at the gate.
Listen. To what?
The announcements, the person talking on the microphone.
But they always sound so quiet, like they are just making noises.
I know, it's hard to hear, but they will call your zone.
Zone? What is a zone, Luna?
It's your group. Look at your ticket. It usually says Zone 1, Zone 2, or Zone 3.
Oh, so they don't want everyone to go at the same time.
Exactly. Imagine everyone pushing at the door.
That would be terrible. Very bad.
Yes, so they say, Zone 1, please board.
I'm usually zone, 5, the last one.
Me too. We just sit and watch the happy Zone 1 people.
Okay, so finally they say zone 5. I stand up.
You stand up and you wait in a line.
Another line? Seriously?
Always another line. Airports are just lines everywhere.
I feel like a sheep, just walking in a line.
Bah. Yes, like a sheep. But then you show your boarding pass one more time.
To the person at the door?
Right, the gate agent. Then you walk down the tunnel, the jet bridge.
Oh, the jet bridge. It is usually very hot or very cold.
Exactly. Never a good temperature. And then you are finally on the plane.
Yes, finally.
The flight attendant says hello, and you look for your seat.
I always want the window seat. Always.
Because you can look outside?
Yeah, and I can sleep. I just put my hat on the wall.
True, the window seat is great. But what about the aisle seat?
The aisle? You mean the seat next to the walking space?
Yes, the aisle. A-I-S-L-E. It has a silent S. Very strange word.
Aisle, like I'll go to the store.
Perfect. Yes. I like the aisle seat. I can go to the bathroom easily.
But the middle seat, oh no.
Nobody likes the middle seat, Lucas. It is the worst.
You have no space. It is like being a hot dog in a bun.
A hot dog, yes. Two people are the bread, and you are the meat.
Squeezed. Very bad. So I find my seat. Then what?
You have to put your big bag away, up high.
In the roof box?
Close. We call it the overhead bin. Overhead means above your head.
Overhead bin. Okay, but my bag is heavy.
Everyone's bag is heavy. It is like a gym. You push it up, up.
And close the door. Bam.
Yes. Then you sit down. What is the very first thing you must do when you sit?
Look at my phone?
No, Lucas. Safety first.
Oh, the seatbelt.
Exactly. You buckle your seatbelt. Click.
Click. Okay, I am safe. Like in a car.
Right, and the flight attendant does the safety dance.
The dance? They don't dance?
I mean the safety demonstration. They show you how to use the seatbelt.
Oh, yes, and the yellow mask for air.
Yes, the oxygen mask. They say put yours on first before helping others.
Even before helping a baby?
Yes, because if you have no air, you can't help anyone.
Oh, now I get it. That makes sense.
See? You learned something. So, Luna and Lucas style, let's do a quick practice for our listeners.
Practice? Like a test?
A fun test. Okay, listen carefully. I am the gate agent. You are the passenger.
Okay, I am ready. Zone 5 sheep ready.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
I want a window seat, please.
Great. And where does your big bag go?
It goes in the overhead bin.
Boom. Perfect English, Lucas.
Wow, I am ready to fly. I don't even need my phone.
Well, maybe just for music. Now, here's a question for everyone listening.
Oh, yes, tell us.
What is your favorite seat on a plane? Window, aisle, or maybe you like the middle?
Nobody likes the middle, Luna. Hot dog meat.
Maybe someone out there loves the middle. Let us know.
Write it in the comments. We really want to read them.
Yes, please do. And if you liked this airport trip with us,
Hit the subscribe button. Follow us everywhere.
yes, thank you so much for joining us here at English Pod Center.
See you next time. Bye.